Alright, so power steering's next. Then we're going to undo this ABS module because I need this out and I want this loom disconnected. And that'll save us a whole bunch of time. But look how much space there is, honestly. This thing looks pretty intimidating with no front end on it. I wish they just made them a bolt up front end, that would have been sick. That would look cool, but it is what it is. Some tow hooks and stuff to come off, but that can wait. Really doesn't matter that much. So once that's off, I guess the next part I'll probably tackle, I'll probably take out this washer bottle, get some space here. Power steering hard lines, I guess. I'll get rid of them as well. And then we'll just go from there, I guess. See where life takes us. But yeah. Alright, it's ABS module time. So the way I'm going to approach it, which is, I don't know, wrong, right, indifferent, how I'm doing it. I'm going to undo this. I'm going to undo all the pipes, so all 6 connections. I'm just going to let it hang, leave the hard lines there, undo this wiring loom, and that's that module going out the bay. That's this side of the bay pretty freed up. I have no idea what size they are. So let's try the 10. Oh, cracked perfect, easy, first time. Proper flare nut spanners really are honestly a godsend, because these always tend to strip out. I'm gonna try a normal spanner up. Decent set of flare nut spanners. Solid investment. These are saving me a lot of heartache right now, which is honestly really nice. So fun story is I took the brakes out of this before I went to Honda Nationals because a guy was like, I really want the rotors out of it. So I took all the rotors out of it, and lo and behold, old mate decided he's apparently going to scrap his car, so he didn't need the rotors, which was super nice. So the car has no brakes anyway, so what's the point in having an ABS module when, I mean, let's be real, it's not helped in this situation because we still crashed the bad boy. But whatever. So I'll come back when I got these off and we'll get to undoing the loom. Well, I don't actually know how this comes out, so I'm gonna fiddle with it, I guess. Oh, there appears to be an end piece. Slides out, and that will release it. Okay, it wasn't that hard. So that piece slides out and releases it. Maybe this might be gone. Another part of the bay freed. Get it out. This one took a bit of a hit too, so everything's happening. Alright, that's that. This 10mm gets the fuse block free. And start figuring out how it plugs in or unplugs or whatever. And this earth, it's no longer needed. Kind of past the point of no return now. So, alright, how does this all jingle together? The lid, that off. Okay, so other than smashed stuff, what can we get to? Okay, the lid pops off with a screwdriver. Looking at it. Alright, there's one side. Let's get this side off. This lid should pop off, I guess. Okay, it's the rear lid. It's broken anyway, doesn't really matter now. Okay, so just unplug everything and you've got yourself a fuse block. And it's that easy, apparently. So Subaru make it very interesting to take things out. Because I've not really seen other brands do this sort of stuff. That just completely slides through, and this must completely slide through too. So you get the relay blocks. Okay, that cover comes off, and that relay block comes out, and the last part is this 10mm bolt here, and then I now have a fuse block and a bunch of wiring to come out of the bay. Actually, that could go on there. That's a fuse block. Now I've got a wiring loom. Now I can figure out what we're doing. So if I undo the alternator loom and this power steering loom, not the power steering, sorry, AC loom, which doesn't really want to come undone. But there you go. If I undo that, that whole loom here should come out. This loom here off the starter will undo that, and that'll be the two looms out. So hang tight, I'll get the looms out. So these two here will come out. Oh boy. Oh boy. Wriggle that. Undo that nut there. Undo this one here. Undo that one there. It's this loom out, and this loom will be off the motor. I'll be able to push that out of the bay. So hang 10, I'll get it out. Alright, now for the next part, which is pulling it out. There's one loom, and this loom's going to go into the outside of the bay, at least, into the wheel arch, I guess. Let's give you prime position, huh? That'll probably do it. I need two hands to wiggle and jiggle these bad boys. And I did. So I'll pull this long loom through first. Oh, maybe I can just slide the relay block out like that. Not full. Okay, that's one half of the loom. So that loom goes back underneath. This is how crazy this is. This loom goes back underneath and over there. So boom. Boom, loom, moved. The other loom's completely out the bay. And you got this side of the loom runs into the body over there. So now we should pretty much, there's only going to be a couple of plugs, and that'll be the engine loom to the body, probably from this back point over here. I'll unplug them, and that'll be the loom disconnected, I guess. But yeah, I split it into two videos, so this is the end of this one. Like if you think cutting the front end off was a sick idea to give me more room to get access. Comment if you think I should have cut it with a grinder or something else. And as always, have a good day.